Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Need to cancel an Interac e-transfer on the BMO app? I will guide you through the quick and easy steps to do it. First of all, unlock your phone and open the BMO Mobile Banking app. If you aren't signed in already, enter your credentials to log in. Once you are logged in, tap on the menu and select Payments and Transfers. Then choose Interact e-transfers from the list. Here you will see a list of your recent e-transfers. Look for the pending transfer you'd like to cancel. Pending transfers are those that haven't been accepted yet by the recipient. Tap on the pending transfer and you will see an option to cancel e-transfer. Select it, then confirm your choice and the funds will be automatically deposited back into your account. And that's it. You have successfully cancelled your e-transfer on the BMO app. If the video helped you out, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more helpful banking tips. Thanks for watching.